Our greeting to our estimated supervisor and examiners. Thank you for the time and opportunity that has been given to TA Group 8 to be able to present a proposal with the title of Final Project E-Ticketing and Tracking System for Public Transport Mobil Bus Case Study around Danau Toba. And our supervisor, Mrs. Ferawati Sintumorang, Bachelor of Computer Science, MTI. Let me introduce myself. My name is Johanna Sihombing, who will bring the flow of this presentation. Is with two my friends.
My name is Naldo Tua Samosir.
And my name is Santalam Sarharanja.
I will explain what the outlines are in this presentation. The first chapter, background, the second, purpose, the third, literature study summary, the fourth, methodology, and the chapter 5, expected result, and the last chapter is conclusion. The first chapter can be continued by my friend Santo.
Okay, I will explain about background. First, definition of mobil bus. According to the regulation of Minister of Transportation, the Republic of Indonesia, mobil bus is vehicle for transporting people with a load of more than 8 people. The next is characteristic of mobil bus. Characteristic of mobil bus is mass in nature. The cost of transportation is cheaper because it is charged to passenger. Mobil bus can help develop aspect of education, sport, work, health, shopping, and social activities. Uh, Next is uh, of transportation. Various kind of public transportation brand of bus that are spread in every area of North Tapanuli Regency, Toba Regency, and Medan are as follow. First, Koperasi Bintang Tapanuli or KBT. Uh, Next is Kevin Pratama Trans or KPT. Tau Toba Indah or TTI. Parisma, Karya Agung, and the last is Rajana Pugus.
Expected use of transportation from the government point of view. According to the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 22 of 2009 concerning road traffic and transportation, road transportation is organized with the aim of the realization of safe, skateless, orderly, smooth, and integrated traffic and road transportation service with other modes of transportation to encourage the national economy, promote prosperity general, strengthen the unity and integrity of the nation, and be able to uphold the dignity of the nation. According to the Traffic and Road Transportation Law, Article 138, paragraph 1, also states that public transportation is organized in an effort to meet the needs of safe, scathless, comfortable, and affordable transportation.
Next is the expectation of bus transportation based on similar research that researchers have found. The first, expectation according to the journals De Seti Jowarno, RB Frazila, 2001. Each mode of transportation has its own characteristic. Why? Because transportation has, first, time span. What is mean is calculation of the duration of a movement required between the initial position and the intended position. And then the second, availability of the form of service performed is the ability to realize the relationship between the two positions by providing a form of service between public transportation and passengers. And the third, ability to implement. Prove the schedule that has been determined with the fact that things are going in the same direction or not. And then capacity, our ability to transportation to cope with the overall form and information of transportation, both from ordering system to the service. And then frequency, the target is how much mobility and planned relation between transportation parties and passengers. And then second, Then expectation according to the journal Asmawi 2017. The use of public transportation sector is a full method of economic aspect requires a reliable, efficient, and effective transportation systems. And then a reliable transportation system means a system that can be trusted by passengers on public transportation, buses and cars. And then an effective transportation system means that the exciting system with the sufficient passengers capacity with needs systematic, smooth, agile, precise, safe, and affordable procedures. And then an efficient transportation system means that the use of public transportation can minimize pollution, provide balance in various aspects, and help humans who fall into the coercive group or captive that friend explained before. And then the third, the other exploitation that several definition of use of public transportation from the European Union Council of Ministers of Transport to Litman 2009, which are as follows: providing access and increasing basic needs of individual communities with the aim human and ecosystem security, stable and empathize harmony within a generation between generation. Implement in balanced and efficient manner, every public transportation can be support the economy in the competitive way, but still empathize the harmony of regional improvement. And the C, optimizing the emission limit that occur with the words harmony, ability to absorb combination reaction of the transportation pools that are used into the air containing carbon monoxide, which is harmful of humans. Provide the reduction of the use of transportation with the aim minimizing pollution and regarding and use.
The next is reality or fact. Based on the result of requirement and research in the Toba Lake area, it was found that there were differences in expectation of government regulation and similar research that is first limited information about public transportation. The second is need for unstructured passenger transport data. The third is unstructured financial management. The fourth is there is no good communication between passenger and public transportation. The fifth is passenger waiting for arrival at the uncertain time. And the last is dishonest passenger. It means the passenger doesn't say the real end destination. And then the tracking system on public transportation can be done using the Global Positioning System or GPS, which has the function of navigating and finding location based on coordinates using satellite assistance.
The next is purpose. Uh, the purpose of this research is to support user to know the public transportation mode for mobile bus that are running in the area around Lake Toba, helping bus car and user to solve problem that occur by managing an effective and efficient booking system, financial structure that is more open and user friendly. Facilitate the user to know latest bus transportation location, information around the North Tapanuli Regency, Toba Regency, and Medan.
And then next, study literature summary. Literature study are carried out by searching for books, similar journals, updated laws, articles of paper, and research documentation. This journal discusses of transition from the manual ticket booking system to a computerized cashless booking system where our user can check availability of seat, ordering ticket, and paying for the ticket online within the scope of India. Based on these researchers, adapted computerizes ticket booking system into a scope of the Lake Toba, which does not yet have a manual ordering system, and improve journal references by providing a tracking feature with passengers can be given information about the current position of the bus transportation around like Toba area and can solve exciting related problems.
The next is methodology. The research method used in the implementation of this first final project includes information gathering method and application development methods. The first is information gathering method. First, qualitative approach. First point is observation. Conduct research on public transportation for public mobile bus related to the current system in the Toba Lake area. The second point is interview. Conduct two-way communication with the aim of digging up information about the operating system of public transportation and data from mobile bus manager, mobile bus driver, and passenger around Toba Lake. The third point is focus group discussion. Conduct discussion with fellow team member based on the result obtaining during interview and observation. The second is study of literature. Researchers carry out an understanding of similar research that has been done. This aims to better understand the topic of the problem being studied.
Furthermore, the application development method that is solution to the problem that occur is using agile method. Agile method are part of the software development life cycle or SDLC, where SDLC is the act determining, improving, validating, running, and maintaining software. One method that is often used in SDLC is agile method. Agile method are software upgrades in a short period of time by requiring rapid adjustment in any form of change. Gradual and iterative development can be done in agile method. In agile method, each complex activity is divided into small activities that arrange its stages to be carried out together with the new goals of new meeting user needs. Agile methods support communication links with user even when design is already underway. With this, researchers can make improvement in order to achieve user needs. And there are several stages of agile method, namely requirement. The first is requirement. At the requirement stage, the researchers collect full and accurate data and information of public transportation based around Lake Toba by sampling North Tapanuli Regency, Toba Regency, and Medan. And the second, design, the stage after the requirements. The researchers will be design the route of the design of the bus car public transportation software system in North Tapanuli Regency, Toba Regency, and Medan. Perform database design to arrive at the design of the software interface to be built. And the third, implementation. This stage is carried out after the design has been designed. This stage is the programming stage, namely is implementation of design of the public transportation bus car software design system into the code form. And then evaluation, this stage evaluates and result of the testing to be improve each bus car public transportation software design system that has been made and tested. And the last is maintenance. This stage is intended to that there are no more bugs that interfere with the design system for the bus mobile bus public transportation software that has been made and carried out regularly so that quality is always maintenance.
Next is expected result. The expected result of this result is a web-based application. The web-based application can help user to order mobile bus ticket and tracking using a GPS tracker on mobile bus in around Lake Toba. Next. Next is conclusion. In this study, we seek to help the public and business owner of transportation to travel and manage the system effectively and efficiently, so that by using the ticketing system, the user does not have to go to the bus agent to purchase tickets, but simply by accessing the ticketing website, transaction can be made anytime and anywhere. Tracking can help the user to find out the current location of the transportation ordered, so that it can help the passenger in knowing when he has to get ready.
Okay, that's all our presentation about e-ticketing and tracking system for public transport, mobil bus case study around Danau Toba. Thank you.